Welcome to this gratitude meditation. As you settle in comfortably, we will begin our guided meditation by deepening our breath. Taking a deep breath in. Exhale, relax. Inhale deeply. Exhale, release. Deep breath in. Exhale, let go of all tension. Continue to deepen your breath at your own pace. Feel the earth support you and simply relax every muscle in your body, every cell in your body. There is no other place you need to be except for right here in this moment. Breathing deeply, breathing effortlessly, and relaxing further. Imagine your breath as a warm wave of relaxation coming up towards the crown of your head as you inhale. And rolling down, relaxing your entire body all the way to your toes as you exhale. Now I will guide you to reflect on aspects of your life that you are grateful for. Gratitude can positively affect the quality of our life and well-being. Being grateful on a daily basis increases our happiness. It is impossible to feel stressed and worried and fearful when we feel grateful. Now call to mind the people in your life that you're most grateful for. Bring to mind a person in your life whom you are thankful to have. Reflect on what it is about this person that you really appreciate. Now call to mind any recent experiences in your life that you're grateful for. What lessons have you learned recently that you're thankful for? Now think about your personal qualities, those things about yourself that you admire and are grateful for. Now reflect on the life-sustaining resources that you have and are thankful for. And finally, let your mind explore whatever else you are really grateful for. Now I invite you to bring your hands to your heart. Allow gratitude to fill your heart. Now pay attention closely and feel your heartbeat. Notice how you feel. Notice what you feel. I invite you to feel your true self, the most loving and kind self, radiating from every part of your being out into the world. Feel gratitude for unconditional love, love for ourselves, for our place in this journey, love for others, and love for our world. Now gently open your eyes with a full and grateful heart. Take in your surroundings and all that is good in your life. Notice any difference in the way you see and experience the world when you are grateful. Notice how you feel in this moment. Know that you can always come back to this feeling when you practice. Be grateful that you took this time for yourself. Thank you for sharing this practice with me. From my heart to yours, namaste. Thank you for sharing this practice with me. If you'd like to receive more yoga and conscious living resources to feel free, happy, joyfully fulfilled, and at peace no matter what, make sure to sign up with the link below. I share short yoga classes, meditations, breathing exercises, real talk, and mindfulness practices with the intention to positively enhance your life and give you the opportunity to experience more and enjoy more of your life. And when you sign up, you'll also be the first to know about free live events, insights, and updates that I only share via email. Sign up with the link below and I'll see you inside. From my heart to yours.